everyone. Welcome back to our channel Storm Rider. Today, we're diving into something a little different but seriously exciting, the 2026 Honda Camper Van. Whether you're an adventure junkie, a weekend warrior, or someone who dreams of hitting the open road with all the comforts of home, this vehicle might just be what you've been waiting for. Honda has stepped up its game and brought us a modern camper van that blends practicality, performance, and a touch of luxury, all wrapped in a sleek, efficient package. Let's start with what catches your eye first, the design. From the outside, the 2026 Honda Camper Van is clean, contemporary, and unmistakably Honda. You're looking at a van that doesn't scream, old-school RV, but rather whispers, smart and stylish escape pod. The lines are smooth, the LED headlights are sharp, and the overall stance is low and aerodynamic for a van of this class. It's built on a stretched version of Honda's popular midsize van platform, which gives it a balanced footprint, long enough to pack in all the essentials, but compact enough to navigate urban streets or narrow mountain roads with ease. Step inside, and things get even more interesting. The interior layout is where Honda has really done its homework. The cabin is designed to be modular and space efficient. There's a full kitchenette with a compact sink, induction cooktop, and a smartly integrated fridge. It's not a gourmet kitchen, but it's perfect for prepping meals while you're out in the wild. The dining area converts into a sleeping space, and the seats are made from eco-friendly, stain-resistant materials that look premium but can handle the wear and tear of outdoor life. What's especially cool is how Honda has used tech to enhance the van life experience. You've got a digital control panel that manages everything: lighting, temperature, water pump, battery levels, and even solar charging if you've opted for the solar roof package. The van also features a pop-up roof option, giving you standing room and an extra sleeping bunk for two. It's surprisingly roomy and ventilated, thanks to mesh windows and an adjustable skylight. One of the standout features is the multi-zone climate control system. Honda's engineers have managed to integrate a low-power air conditioning and heating unit that can run off the battery pack for several hours without needing to idle the engine. This is a game-changer for people camping in extreme temperatures and don't want to burn fuel just to stay comfortable. Now, let's talk performance. This camper van isn't just about comfort, it's built to move. Powering the 2026 Honda Camper Van is a refined 2.0-liter turbocharged hybrid engine, paired with Honda's latest e-HEV system. This gives you about 250 horsepower combined, which is plenty for highway cruising, hill climbs, and overtaking slower traffic, even when the van is fully loaded. The electric assist is smooth and quiet, especially useful when you're sneaking into a quiet campsite late at night. It also comes with an available all-wheel drive version, which is a big plus for those planning to head off the beaten path. Honda has added a mild terrain management system, nothing extreme, but enough to get you through dirt roads, snow, or sandy trails. With a ground clearance of around 7.5 inches, you won't be rock crawling, but you'll definitely be more confident exploring areas that standard vans can't reach. Fuel economy is another strong point. Thanks to the hybrid powertrain, you're looking at an estimated 28 to 30 mpg, which is impressive for a camper van. There's also regenerative braking that helps keep the auxiliary battery charged while driving. If you're off-grid, the onboard 3 kWh battery system supports USB ports, 110 volts outlets, and LED interior lighting, and it recharges either through the engine, plug-in shore power, or an optional solar array. Let's not forget safety and driver assistance tech. Honda hasn't cut any corners here. The van comes standard with Honda Sensing, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and collision mitigation braking. There are multiple cameras around the van, including a 360-degree overhead view, making parking or navigating tight campsites a lot less stressful. There's also a unique camping mode that disables certain alerts and adjusts interior settings to a restful environment. Another unique touch, Honda has included a mobile app that syncs with the van. You can pre-cool or preheat the cabin, monitor energy levels, check tire pressure, and even control the pop-up roof or lighting, all from your phone. It also helps you locate nearby campgrounds or EV charging stations, which is a really nice quality of life feature for modern nomads. When it comes to storage, the Honda Camper Van is clever but compact. There's under-bed storage for gear, overhead cabinets, and a rear compartment that can be accessed from both inside and outside. It's not huge, but it's been carefully designed to make use of every inch. For cyclists or outdoor enthusiasts, there's even an optional rear-mounted gear rack that folds down for bikes, surfboards, or skis. As for pricing, Honda has positioned this camper van to be more accessible than traditional RVs. The base model is expected to start around $52,000, while a fully loaded version with AWD, solar roof, pop top, and upgraded battery setup could push closer to $68,000. It's still an investment, but compared to full-size RVs or custom conversions, it's a competitive price, especially with all the built-in technology and reliability that comes with the Honda brand. So who is this camper van for? Honestly, it hits a sweet spot. It's ideal for young couples, small families, or even solo travelers who want something more comfortable and capable than a regular SUV, but don't want the bulk and complexity of a huge RV. Whether you're planning national park road trips, music festivals, remote work from a beachside cliff, or just weekend getaways, the 2026 Honda camper van is built to make that lifestyle easier, safer, and more enjoyable. To wrap it all up, the 2026 Honda camper van offers an impressive blend of comfort, capability, and smart technology. It's not trying to be everything for everyone, but what it does really well. It's compact without feeling cramped, efficient without sacrificing power, and tech-savvy without being overwhelming. If you're dreaming of the van life but still want the reliability and engineering of a trusted brand, this might just be the adventure-ready vehicle you've been waiting for. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you take the 2026 Honda camper van cross-country? Or even live out of it full-time? And if there's anything specific you'd like me to test or cover in a future video, drop your questions down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.